Hello and welcome from the banks of Thames in London. I come here often where I have been inspired to think of many crazy good ideas that has made a difference in people's lives, from turning the ideas into products, services, businesses, and multi-million pound companies. Hello, I'm Raj Sark, an entrepreneur and investor. I started my journey 5 years ago right here, and today I would like to ask you something. When was the last time you had this crazy good idea? You, it inspired you, it fired you up, and you thought it could make a real difference to someone or to society or to yourself. And what happened to it after that? You ended up parking it somewhere. Why did that happen? We know there are three main reasons. Having worked with hundreds of entrepreneurs just like yourself, the three top reasons are: you felt it can't be done by me, or it can't be done without too much of a pain. We have a blueprint that helps you navigate that reward to pain so that you could come up with the ideas and decide for yourself if what has inspired you is actually the idea is crazy or a real good. And join up at prestarter.club to get more information how you can go about do just that.